Hi friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is going to be another installment in this ongoing sort of Throwback Thursday style series from me, where every so often I just like to compile some old makeup and create a look with it. I love revisiting old products. I feel like especially lately between like here on YouTube and like my short form on like YouTube Shorts and Instagram, I've been playing with a lot of old stuff again lately and it's been so much fun. As much as I do love trying and testing out new stuff, I do love being able to balance both. I love being able to revisit things that I already know that I enjoy, revisit things that I maybe haven't touched in a while. It's so fun for me. And in this one specifically, I wanted to kind of channel a little bit of a spooky spring sort of theme. I picked two palettes in my collection that are older, very beloved by me, that have a spooky essence, but very spring kind of feels. And I came up with this look, and I love it. I think this combination is so good. I hope you enjoy it as well. Let's just go ahead and hop into the video. Hello, hello. Let's get into this look. We're just going, again, very classic throwback. We're just doing an eye look, old school tutorial style. I mean, every makeup video I do for the most part is like tutorial style because I love talking through my process, but that's very much what I try to convey with these like Throwback Thursday kind of videos. Let's play with something old, keep it classic, keep it old school. I'm gonna prime with the Lethal White Primer. Been really liking this one and the transparent one lately. I still need to give the black one a whirl, but I've been in a, I don't know, mood for this lately, I suppose. Catch me up. What's new? How's your month so far? We're like a week in. How's it been? How are things? I feel like April's been pretty chill thus far for me, which I'm kind of thankful for, a little bit of like a chill start. I've been busy with work and stuff, but as far as like activities go, we've kind of just been laying low. But I've mentioned already, but we have some travel at the end of the month. We're actually leaving this weekend for my sister-in-law's like pre-wedding send-off party, because her actual wedding is like a travel trip situation, so not a lot of people are going to that. So this is like the pre-party where lots of people can go. So we're doing that this weekend, and then in, gosh, like 2.5 weeks we leave for our trip, and that's going to be super fun too. So now that I'm primed and ready to go, the pairing I'm going to use today is the Blend Bunny Sickly Sweet palette, and it's just like a pastel dream. I feel like I've already reached for this multiple times for the spring season, and then I want to use the Beaute Bar Basic Witch. I'm trying to convey like spooky spring today. I feel like that's been my mood lately. I want to use palettes that have kind of a spooky essence, but very much hit the springtime feels, you know? So I'm gonna start first with the Black Cat shade from the Basic Witch palette. And I'm gonna use this teeny skinny brush from Blend Bunny. It's from the Blend Bunny and Lynn's Makeup Looks collection. It's the L01. And I'm basically just using this very dense, skinny brush to create a little bit of a rounded shape in the outer corner. By the way, if you can hear wind whistling, it's because I have my window open. It rained heavily this morning and it made the weather super crispy. So I just like immediately opened all the windows to embrace that chilliness while we have it, because it's already hot, 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 hot here in Florida. So any moment that I can like embrace some cold, I will. Kind of just like that, kind of trailing like from about halfway to my under eye all the way to like this outer third. Oh, Clionadh is here. Did you just hear her meow? She has things to say. So now moving into the Sickly Sweet palette, I'm gonna take Brooding, this dark teal. Kind of want to do like a teal into a brighter green with maybe a pop of yellow. You like that idea, Clionadh? She's over here giving her 2 cents. I'm gonna use another pencil brush. This one's a little bit bigger. This is the Sigma E30. And I'm just gonna take this pretty much on what I just did. Kind of just dragging this along that outside edge of what I laid down. I'm not super worried about this interior stuff because I kind of want that to stay very like structured and graphic. I will be blending a little bit, but for the most part I want it to stay very just dark and dramatic. Clionadh gets it. Are you gonna come up here? Yep, hello, there she is. Kind of something like that. You're being a lot right now. Now I'm gonna take Just an Act from the Sickly Sweet palette. I'm gonna use another Blend Bunny and Lynn's Makeup Looks brush. This is the L03, and again, kind of similar to what I just did. This is just like a slightly fluffier, but still small blending brush. I'm just gonna start blending around that outside edge just to get that gradient solidified before we move into our other green shade and all the shimmers and all that jazz. Definitely going for dark, grungified, spooky spring. Anything I can make more of a darker aesthetic, I will. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do like a lighter look here and there. I dabble in other things, but darker, weirder stuff like this is definitely where my heart lives. I'm loving this like dark teal with that glowing brighter teal around it. It's so pretty. Let's add some green murkiness to it though. I want to take Creep It Real from the Basic Witch palette. I'm gonna use this E02 brush from Glaminatrix. It's like a smallish fluffy brush. And I want to swirl this all in the front part of my crease and let it just kind of blend in with everything else that I already have. I thought the combination of like this murky green with the teals would be a fun combination. And then for the inner corner, I'm just gonna go ahead and lay it down. I'm thinking Center of Attention from the Sickly Sweet would be very cute. Just like a little pop of yellow in that inner corner. This is just a little brush also from the Blend Bunny and Lynn's Makeup Looks collection. Oh yes, I feel like a cutie yellow in the inner corner is just like my favorite thing for spring right now. I feel like I've utilized a yellow inner corner multiple times already. I love that. I love it next to that green a lot. Moving on to some shimmer now, I'm gonna take my Beaute Bar Shimmer Stay first. Just gonna dot a little of this on my lid and I'm just gonna blend it out. This just helps my shimmer stay put nicely and also pop to its fullest potential. So it's just something I use every time. So I'm gonna be using Cauldron and also Hocus Pocus. Taking Cauldron first. Oh, that glow is so good. And I kind of want to just like press it here because again, I do still want this like outer corner darkness and stuff to be very like stark and prominent. I'll show you kind of the blendiness I do, but I want it to kind of pop on its own, be a little bit graphic looking. So just kind of taking one of those pencil brushes from before and just very lightly kind of blending at that very edge so that it kind of just flows into that shape. I just love this. I think this is coming out so cool. Now taking Hocus Pocus, that kind of like muted shimmer green. Ooh, yes. I'm loving this green teal vibe so much. This is so pretty. Just gonna kind of go back and forth with both of the shimmers, making sure they flow nicely on the lid. Just re-intensifying that yellow inner corner one more time. I am thrilled with this. Threw on my mascara. I also threw in my eye pencil. This is Power Trip from ColourPop. I just feel like when I do a teal look, this has to be the pencil I pair with it every time. I also threw on just a couple face gems to add a little bit more pizzazz because we can all use more pizzazz, more whimsy. Why not? And for lips, I'm torn between doing just a full black lip or doing a mostly black lip with a pop of this because I mean, come on. That would match so nicely. So I think I might see how that looks. And if I like it, I'll leave it. If I don't, then I'll make it all black. But I'm gonna start with the Villain Pencil from Unearthly. I'm just gonna line and fill in most of my lips with this. Okay, kind of just lined and filled everything for the most part, like left barely anything in the center. So now I'm gonna take Toxic Taffy, the metallic lip from Unearthly. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's really cool. I feel like that actually mimics this shimmer really well combined with the black. Kind of just focusing that right in the center. Oh, I think that's so cute. We took a black lip and made it all springy and fun. I think that's so cute. Thank you so much for watching. I think this look turned out so cool. I love just how bold and dramatic this outer teal area is. I love the fusion with that brighter green. Love the dark lip. I just think it all came out so good. It was such a treat playing with these palettes again. I love them dearly and I just think they paired so nicely together. Like they were a match made in heaven or a match made in spooky spring, if you will. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's chat down below. Let me know what you're thinking about the look, these palettes, just how's life in general. Let's hang out. If you made it to the end of this video, leave some emojis that make you think of spooky spring. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm BATTYBEAN over there. And you can also subscribe if you want to see more videos. You're also welcome to hop over to my second channel, linked in my description box if you want additional content. And also in my description box is a link to my channel memberships. There's a couple different tiers with a couple different perks, and I would love to have you. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep watching, I'll pop a similar one on the screen. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll catch you in the next one.